Hello? Ano bang araw ngayon? Thursday. Okay? One day na lang tapos na yung linggo. But anyway, nandito ako sa mall. Okay? Nautusan. Bumili ng dog food ni Charlie and other things. But anyway, ito share ko sa inyo. Sino ang mga taong nakikita nyo sa mall at this time of the day around 3 o'clock? Weekdays. Okay? Ito sasabihin ko sa inyo because ito yung mga oras na pupunta ako or kami kasi hindi kami pupunta sa malls during the weekend. Sino-sino? Kung hindi OFW, pamilya. Kung hindi pamilya, negosyante. Kung hindi negosyante, sino pa? Senior citizens yan. Kasi nanonood ng senior ng libre at saka naglalakad sa mall. Sila lang. And good news, alam niyo kung sino? Networkers. Okay? Why? Tayo lang ang pwede pumunta sa mall dahil ang mga empleyado ganitong oras busy sa kanilang mga trabaho. So ito po yung one of the perks pagka meron kang negosyo na sarili mo. Pwede ka pumunta sa mall, pwede ka mag-Starbucks, pwede magkape any time of the day kung gusto mo lang. Okay? So ito po yung gusto kong sabihin sa inyo na, you know, darating yung panahon also na magiging one of the routines natin is siguro sa umaga, instead na magtrabaho sa bahay, instead na mag-monitor sa bahay, instead na makipag-usap sa leaders natin sa bahay, we can do it in the mall sipping our coffee. Okay? Now, meron pong leaders na sa tingin nyo naging leaders nyo at sa tingin nyo you thought that they will stay with you pero realizing in the process hindi pala. That is perfectly okay and that is perfectly normal. Kasi dito sa journey na to, once you're a networker, once you are committed, once you are building your core group, meron pong sasama, merong aalis, merong magtatampo. So this is pretty normal, which na-experience na namin in the past for the past 2 years. Okay? So, as we said earlier, huwag tayo magluluksa. Kasi hindi po natin kawalan ang pag-alis ng isang tao na akala natin will be with us kasi probably, you know, it is the will na hindi tayo para sa isa't isa. So, we always commit to leaders that are committed kasi importante yung oras nila, importante yung oras natin. We respect each other's time, respetuhan sa oras. But if we see that a certain leader is half-hearted and not fully committed, well, isa lang po mangyayari niyan, folks, mapag-iiwanan. And when they knock on our door after some months, baka wala na po tayong oras para sa kanila, but we will cross the bridge when we get there. So my advice, okay, if you want to stick it out with us, you must show us in sincerity, with sincerity, yung inyong commitment. Kasi, you know, yung action speaks louder than words, no? Hindi po kami naniniwala sa, you know, pagiging boka. It shows, it manifests sa body nyo, sa behavior nyo, how you engage. Doon po namin nakikita, okay, yung commitment nyo. So it's pretty normal. We respect other people's decision. If you want to grow with us, you're welcome. But if you think you have doubts for some reason, it's okay. That's part of the process po. Wala pong tampuhan. Ika nga, nothing personal. This is just business. Okay po. Thank you at bibili pa ako ng dog food. Bye.